Hey guys, this is Shauna Jones, the CEO and founder of LivBay Lash here in Las Vegas. This channel is dedicated to everything lashes and beauty, so if you haven't yet already, go ahead and hit the subscription button below. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to get thicker and longer lashes using our LivBay Serum. So about a year ago, we launched our LivBay Lash Serum because we felt it was super important to give the option to our clients to grow their natural lashes while having extensions. So just keep in mind that if you've ever had a client sit in your chair and they may have a huge gap in their lashes that you're not able to work with, you're able to offer them this serum and they can come back in just a few weeks and then you're able to lash them. So this amazing formulation is great for any client that may be a picker, they may have gaps, they may think for some reason that they want thicker, fuller lashes while they have extensions, or they just want thicker, fuller lashes without having extensions completely. So some things to keep in mind when using our lash serum is you literally have to use it at least once a day. If you're not being consistent with it, you're not going to see the best results. Me, myself, I actually use this twice a day. So I use it in the morning before I put my makeup on, and then I use it after I wash my face at night. So it's really important that you're just not even missing a day, because even missing a day or two, you're not gonna see the results that you should. 5 milliliter serum should last you 3 to 4 months. Just keep in mind that once opened, it is good for up to 8 months. And if you decide to wait to open it, it's good for up to 12 months unopened completely. So this is safe to use on most of your clients. I would definitely tell any pregnant clients to consult their doctor before using it. You definitely don't want to be liable if anything happens, especially with pregnant women. We tend to be a little bit more on the sensitive side. Also, if anyone is going through any type of chemo, I would hold off until their treatments are fully done and even consult a doctor after that. So the best place for this serum is probably in a dry, cool place. I definitely wouldn't recommend leaving it in your car in Vegas weather. So somewhere not extremely hot, probably just at home. Also, so you just remember to use it, once or twice a day. So literally all you need is just one layer. You're going to go from corner to corner. And you don't really need a ton, and you don't need to put it all over the eyelid, just directly on the lash line. It's super easy just to apply to yourself. I think just the main thing with this possibly not working is if you're not consistent with it. So our lash serum retails for $35. We also have a pack of 10 lash serums for $220, so there's an extra discount on top of that. The going rate to retail for clients is anywhere between $35 and $60. So it's amazing profit for you. It's also great for clients that come in that you can't lash. This is just another way to, make some money, but also educate them at the same time. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys got a ton of value. Question for you is, do you currently retail a lash serum? Go ahead and comment below. We hope to see you guys in the next video.